Hey, how you doing? So today let's discuss about the AGI TMO Service Fee 866-866-6285 charge on your bank statement. In case you've seen this charge on your bank statement, which is written on the screen, then you need to know that it is an illegitimate charge from online scammers, and also then you need to know that it is an illegitimate charge from an online scammer. Okay, and the reason why I'm able to know this is that they informed my friend of the charge being from Assurance Solutions for T-Mobile device, okay, protection program. So that is what they're gonna tell you, that it's a protection program from T-Mobile, okay, from people who are using T-Mobile, but it is an illegitimate charge that you need to be very careful about. So actually, they also claim to be an insurance company, okay, but there is no such insurance company in existence anywhere, okay. So the best measure you need to take is to quickly report to your bank, okay, and also you need to know that they will also continue to charge you continuously if you do not take active measures by contacting your bank, okay. So it's actually from the scammers, in case they possibly they get a hold of your card easily on the internet. Maybe you've made a purchase somewhere and maybe the security of the platform is not really that authentic, okay, then there can be a breach of data. So that is what you need to know. But in case you get this charge, just know that it is an illegitimate charge that you need to quickly take active measures on. And also, in case you notice this charge in your cards on your bank statement from this scam, claiming to be an insurance company and protecting T-Mobile customers, then you can take another following step by firstly, just like I told you earlier, contacting your bank, reporting the unauthorized charge to your bank customer service, okay, and you can use the contact number on the back of your debit card or bank website to reach out to your bank, okay, immediately, in case you don't know how to contact your bank, okay. So also you can freeze or close the account in case maybe it's kind of getting too much. You can request that your bank your bank should freeze your account to prevent any further unauthorized charges, okay. So they may actually issue you a new card or an account number, okay. And also you can dispute the charge, formally dispute the unauthorized charge with your bank, okay. So and although you need to provide necessary documentation or evidence that the charge is also fraudulent before you can actually dispute the charge. And also several people also have contacted T-Mobile about the scam, so it's also good that you also add to the process, okay. So because they may have additional information or steps that can actually help to protect you and other customers from the fraudulent scam. Okay. So another thing is reporting the scam also to the Federal Trade Commission. So if you go to the identity, the ft.gov, you can use that to report, okay, the scam. And also the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, the CFPB. So this can help you with further investigation and also provides a record of the fraud in case you are being charged a whole lot, because I've seen a lot of people being charged over $2,000, $3,000, and these are huge money that can sustain you for a month, okay, and you are being charged, all right. So it's kind of huge. So we all know that it's not easy to make money in this present economy. So that is why you can go ahead and report these charges, okay, or the scam to them, to the government, and from there you are able to maybe possibly get a solution to the problem, okay. And also try as much as possible to monitor your account. You need to try as much as possible to keep a close eye on your bank statement and also other financial accounts in case of any additional unauthorized charges or in case of any suspicious activity. So you need to consider setting up account alerts of any transaction. I always say these times with our number, setting up account alerts is going to help you, whenever you see any kind of stuff just like this, okay. And also try to check your credit reports so you can obtain and review your credit reports from the major credit bureaus like Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion. So this will help you to ensure that there are no other unauthorized accounts or charges, okay. So always make sure to go ahead, check your credit report. It will always help you out on the long run, okay. And also make sure that you document everything that is happening. So you need to keep detailed records of all communications with your bank and also T-Mobile or any authorities, because this is going to help you out, maybe in case you're trying to dispute your charge. And when you are keeping documentation of everything, they include dates, times, names of the representatives, and summaries of the conversation, okay. And in case you're the kind of person that you always surf the internet regularly, then it's not good that you use the same passwords. You can try to change your password. Okay, maybe if there are some websites that you can see that maybe Google is warning you on, because sometimes there are some websites that if you're using a browser like Chrome, okay, or even if it's Safari also, Google do one also of some fishy websites, so they can tell you that okay, this website is kind of somehow, so you might need to you know use a separate password for it, or a password that will be difficult to easily just siphon out. Okay, so you can change the password also for your online account associated with the bank account that you are being charged with. Okay, so and any account that may have been compromised, in case, so that it prevents you from further unauthorized charges. Okay, and always make sure to stay vigilant. You need to continue to monitor your bank statement, credit reports, and also any interactions with companies to catch any future fraudulent activity promptly. Okay, and try to educate yourself. Also, learn about common scams and how to protect your personal information to avoid any future incidents. Okay, so try and familiarize yourself with T-Mobile legitimate insurance offerings to recognize potential scam. Okay, and if any of this doesn't work, then you can file for a police report if necessary. Okay, you can file a report to your local police department to document the fraud, and this can possibly help you with any future investigation. And although they might require bank to process the dispute, but it will help you to fasten the process further. Okay, so this is what I have for you regarding the AGI TMO service fee 866-866-6285 charge in your bank statement. And in case you also have any experience with this, maybe there is something you've done that worked for you among everything we've talked about, and also let us know in the comment box. I'm sure that it will possibly help one or two people here to make the best decision also regarding this, because it's not easy for you to work out for your money and you're getting charged just without you even knowing the source of your charge. Okay, so thank you very much for your time. I'll see you in another video tutorial regarding charging your bank statement or your credit card. Peace and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.